Everything I say in my videos is my own opinions and may not reflect the view of anybody else, including those who host my content. The manufacturers, wholesale, retailers have no idea who the fuck I am and have not asked me to review any of their product. I bought this with my own money and no prior knowledge to anybody else. I don't get any discounts, freebies, hand jobs, backhanders, circle jerks, or any reach arounds. My opinions may differ from yours. No hookers were harmed in the making of this video. So over the years I must have bought, tried and swore at every mop ever made. My name's Jim. Today we're going to be reviewing the Kärcher FC5 floor cleaner. So many moons ago I hit a car head on with my motorbike and fucked up my back and neck. As you can imagine, bending over, mopping floors really ain't as fun as you'd think it would be. That's why I decided to give this girl a go. Retailing for $3.99 at your local Bunnings, here in Australia that is, seemed like it was worth giving it a try. After all, I've already spent hundreds and hundreds and hundreds on every single mop fandango friggin' life-saving, time-saving, energy-saving, back-saving frigging POS you could make an info commercial about. And yet, I am still not happy. Fancy that, me not happy? Never. Alright, enough of the bullshit. So, after quite an easy assembling of the machine, chuck some water in the bottom pan. That is to wet the rollers. And after filling the water reservoir up, you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. The machine sprays water onto its rollers, then sucks it back off them and delivers it into the rear tank. The rear tank has some filters in it as well. One thing that I was absolutely astounded by was how little water this thing actually uses. Another thing that actually surprised me about this machine was you can rip these rollers off and chuck them straight into the washing machine. Also, not only can you buy replacement rollers in case they wear out, or when they do wear out, you can also buy different types of rollers for different types of floors. You can get some harder rollers, you can get softer ones, you can get spongy ones, etc, etc, etc. To me that's actually quite cool. Definitely not something I would have expected. Alrighty, so let's give this a score, shall we? So price, it's a little bit dear. It's quite a bit of money to throw at something that washes your floors, but if you compare it to some of that crap on the info commercials and shit like that, you know, they're going for, you know, up to $100. So definitely find this a hell of a lot better than those. How does it perform? I reckon it performs bloody good, actually. I think it does a fantastic job of mopping the floor. The water that comes out of this thing once it's finished is absolutely fucking disgusting. It's very dirty. I have 4 dogs. So, yeah, they certainly like to drag in mud and shit all over the place. As far as I'm concerned, I think it does a great job of cleaning it up. So I think we'll give that about an 8 out of 10, I reckon. Ease of cleaning the machine, give that an 8 out of 10 as well. Pretty much just rip the rollers off, throw them straight into the washing machine, take the rear canister off, throw the dirty water in the garden, give it a quick rinse under the hose, and it's done. Now, if you've got back problems, hip problems, shoulder problems, blah, 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 what's it like to use? Well, it's a shitload better than using a bloody mop, that's for damn sure, no matter what type of mop you use. It does put a little bit of strain on your lower back because it's like a self-driven lawnmower. The roller's spinning, they want to drag the machine forwards all the time, so when you do go to pull it back, it does put a little bit of pressure on your back. It is a very, very heavy machine. It does weigh quite a bit, but it makes up for that in the less effort it is to actually use the bloody thing. It's definitely night and day compared to using a normal mop. The big question is it worth it? Well, it does cost quite a bit of money. It's not exactly bloody cheap. But then again, if you've got you know, hip problems, back problems, shoulder problems, etc, etc, and you're finding it really, really painful to mop your floors, or you've got to actually pay some bastard to come in and clean your floors and stuff for you, then I think this is definitely worth it for sure. I'll give it my stamp of approval. So if you've got one of these or something like this, or something you think might be better than this, comment below. I'd be very interested to hear about it. I read every single comment and I try and reply as many as I can. Alrighty, well, be good, stay safe, and as per usual, we'll see you around like a rissole, trendsetters. Okay, play the music. The beautiful people, the beautiful people.
Techno.